How to delete a contact list in Outlook. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I will be showing you how you can easily and simply delete a contact list which is present in your Outlook account. So as here you can see, I have opened up my Outlook application, and then once your Outlook application opens up, the next thing that you will need to do is go to the People tab. So let me show you how you can do that. So as here you can see, in this particular window over the left hand side we have this People tab. So simply click onto this People tab and you will see an interface like this. Now from here, if you have already created a contact list, it will by default navigate you to this all contact lists option, where all of the contact list which you are a part of or you have created will be present right here. Now from this particular list, you need to select that particular list that you want to delete. So for example, let's say I want to delete this only contact list which is present right here. So in order to delete this particular contact list, you simply need to right click over to this, and you will have this second option of delete in this menu option. So simply click onto this delete button and it will give you a warning which says, do you want to delete the contact list 1? Contacts are not deleted, just the contact list. So this means it will only delete the contact lists and will not delete the actual contacts which are contained in this list from your account. So in order to proceed, simply click onto this delete button, and here you can see that the contact list has been successfully removed and deleted from your Outlook account. So that's how easily you can delete a contact list from your Outlook. And that was all for this tutorial. If you enjoyed watching this and it helped you, do make sure to drop a like, and also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such exciting and helpful video content. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.